The school placement is what brought me here, and I'm flabbergasted, because I'm not expecting this in Ghana. Our Ghana, I'm not expecting this.
The fact that your ward wants a preferred school and he doesn't get, all schools are schools. I mean, I don't see that. The fact is that when you don't get a preferred choice for your ward, all that you do is that you get an extra teacher for that ward.
Obviously, begin the logo artist, my high Ghana Asem TV. Your best remo say, you best subscribe to the channel and I'm from my drink cerebral comment section. I'm not sure, baby. Obviously, the NDC has collapsed the Ghana education system. The NDC, they have collapsed the education system totally. What is happening today, which has never happened in the history of Ghana, saying collaborate choro exam be we and sana umbakwa yes selection of school bacho ebusefo ene uko nat ho the cost wo hon fiti and drag besi ene the number of people from every angle of the country have to come to nat hall and being sit down about Ghana has seen that.
The school placement is what brought me here, and I'm flabbergasted, because I'm not expecting this in Ghana. Our Ghana, I'm not expecting this.
So I am currently at the Nat Hall, the place designated by government to resolve all placement-related issues. We do know that somewhere last week, the government released the placement results for new students who will be going into senior high schools on October 18. And this is the place where parents who have issues with their placement will have to come to resolve them. And we are talking to some parents who have given concerns about the fact that where they live and where their wards were placed is quite a distance, hence the need for some rectifications to be made. And if you can see behind me, these are scores of people coming in to rectify these issues. And if you can see in your shots right now, hundreds of people coming in every minute and every hour. And I must say that the scenes here is quite chaotic, because even when I was trying to access the place, there was a bit of a struggle. Looking at the numbers you can see in your shot right now. Behind me, that is the entrance, one of the entrances, two entrances actually, one at the other side where there's a bit of struggle for people to enter, and here as well where you can see a couple of officers here trying to coordinate the movement of people, and that is what is currently happening here at the Nat Hall. But let's listen to some parents as they tell their own stories.
The school placement is what brought me here, and I'm flabbergasted, because I'm not expecting this in Ghana. Our Ghana, I'm not expecting it. Formerly, the time we were in secondary school, that was not how they do it. The result, you write before, you fill the card before you write your exam. So when the results come, only the headmaster go to exam council. They pick the one who selected their school, and then the second one, the other headmaster to, oh, second, I like it. The third, but bringing all people here. No, I've been to 2 African countries. I did not see this thing in any African country.
I mean, my ward had a school he chooses, so they didn't give any of the schools. So I'm here to come and to do a follow-up if they can resolve the issue for me. It's very frustrating, in fact. Very frustrating. The whole place is very chaos. You can see a lot of crowd here. And the queue is very long. Since last week, I started coming since last week. Now to this, my case have not been resolved yet.
Nat Hall, the minister in his address last week mentioned that the Nat Hall is a national resolution center. So if you have challenges and legitimate challenges, not just that you didn't get the school that you wanted, also there are the regional and district education directorates where you can send your complaints to regarding the placement system.
We'll deal with this when we come back. It's 5 minutes past the hour of 8. This is the City Breakfast Show. Tech and Social Media Trends is brought to us by...
That's brought to us by Telecel and First Bank. So use and win is what we are offering you from.
Ever, sir, placement yaho ena Ghana National Council of Private Schools. Ekwo yin so de krataba. Obenfo Nana Kwesi Jetua. We National Executive Director at the Ghana National Council of Private Schools. Nensa na shase. Na wamasam ne say we here biam so bo ho komo ni Abdullah Dasmani. Amaya te say awofo ni bi ni school kwada no kra wo mani afotire wo mo ho a. Wo mo tempentin kwadi atrempie. Obi won kran say school man here boliban boy. And when so a day student and they be about for free as a cobole or point no asanso aba. Na adete no asan kwa na say. Ghana National Council of Private Schools say. Sa placement we say in the ba here. Enfie de wo honi. Enso afi bia kwa akoye afase. Wofo ne school kwada ni fotire wo mu hin. Solution no ayetia wo. Na ni na say Adenti ana wamamuni na no. Jise school kwada yi ba enkran. Ana se ye wo baby ba ko pe. Eno o makwa hwe se. Mewie BEC secondary school pesa me kono. Ya fami ana ye mfa me. Adentra. Wa bra se wo mansin mu a. Ye wo education officers wo ho, officers wo ho, wo mo ye adwuma. Eni ade ne ye ntra mu na enko district bia nti we no se me fan say mansin we na akoda no wa eno no so akọ mansin wa wonhia se obetwa kwa tenten abankran eno da nchen ya e wo se nka ba na nka panifo hu se sa placement system no kwan no anam so nenye enti yen saksa ye wom ade no wo ye no de bia enso di sunsan so bo na ba enti obi hu se ade nenye enti se mu kakra 24 plus o chele o tetia o nanti asesa na no VIP for mo wo mbo ye if you dey do something the same thing every day change position system so enti system na ga say hia body works ne servicing betumi amboa ma sa kwada bi tutu school o tutu edem nkodon na ya say sebi obi a nani wo wa wo hu na de na so wo wa te asem na no otumi kasa enso na computer itam no a sebi eburu perform animu a ne adneko school of the blind and a school for the blind say one won ko sua de be mamu a ne atam na dina kwa akoto St Monica's Girls Secondary School oh I was think about na perform na hu say problem wo ho ye na Ghana National Council of Private Schools say wo mu ye wo mu data na nsen ya hwe ye no school kwada wo mu tro BEC ewie twa no yopo so mo secondary school akwa placement automatic placement empe baby ma wo no 107,509 eyo mu chichemu dun woche etiri po mienu wo msi ahomete na sempenifo no mo be ya adwen na district education officers no ya mo wo mahye school a nkoda no be ko ho asem sei a wo mo so mo dorer kanya me se anya dia problem we say afida se besan so atibio wo mu wie nom so mo sere penifo se wo mu tusu edie yi penifo kwa adwendwem no mo hwe system reforms ne ba na the district education officers ne yusu ema placement here or how no to